Today, we're going to upgrade an iMac's hard drive from HDD to SSD. This upgrade can significantly improve your iMac's performance and speed. Now, let's dive into the process. First, you'll need to back up all your data. Once that's done, you can remove the HDD from your iMac. Then, it's time to install the SSD. Make sure you connect the SSD correctly, and your iMac should be good to go. Keep in mind that this upgrade might void your iMac's warranty, so it's important to be cautious and follow the instructions carefully. If you're not comfortable with the process, consider taking your iMac to us for the upgrade. Thanks for tuning in. If you find this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, happy upgrading!